Hello everyone, if you're getting connection failed in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix connection failed on Call of Duty Black Ops 7 easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp, you're going to go into this first link, and then you're going to download latest stable release here, and after that you're going to install it, and once you're done installing it, you're going to open it up, and then you're going to click onto Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go into settings. You're going to make sure it is set to 1.1.1.1 with Warp connected. And after it's connected, you're going to open up your game platform and then you're going to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and you'll see that you will not get that error connection failed anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.